Hey guys, welcome back to Quick Assist. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you all three different methods to screenshot. All right, so there's three different options that you can use. These are shortcuts. So first one is going to be the entire screen. If you want to just take a screenshot of the entire screen, all you have to do is push Command, Shift, and 3. And then it'll pop up on the bottom. This will take the whole screen. Now, if you don't want to take the whole screen and you're just trying to take a portion of it, so for example, then you would use the second method, which is Command, Shift, and 4. Now you'll see that there's a little cursor. This cursor allows me to now select what I want to screenshot of and say I just want this much. Then it'll pop up on the bottom right there. Now there's a third option that that gives you the same kind of options, but then that's going to be Command, Shift, and 5. Now you can choose either the same as capture the entire screen. If I push that, then it's going to just take a picture of the whole screen again. Or just what I just did right now allows you to select a selected screenshot. Or this one. And this is something that where it just kind of gives you dimensions already. And then now I could go ahead and mess around with the cursors like this. And I only want to take that much. And then that way, when I push it again, it will screenshot. Sorry, I pushed enter right there. Anyways, yeah, I hope this video helps. And if it does, please like or comment, subscribe. I appreciate it. See you next time. Bye-bye.